Welcome back, everybody. Today we are doing a slow cooker barbecue chicken dish, and recipes down in the description box along with miscellaneous kitchen items including the slow cooker. So let's put this together. Okay, I have 2 pounds roughly of skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Those are roughly around 6 there. So we're just going to coat this with some salt. This is Celtic Sea Salt. I'm going to grind that up there. And a little bit of pepper. I'll put the link in the description for the Celtic Sea Salt. It's a nice alternative to the regular salt. And we're going to coat all of them like this. Give it a little pat. And we'll put that in a bowl off to the side. Okay, now we're going to make a sauce. We have 1 cup of barbecue sauce. You can pick any type of barbecue sauce you want. It doesn't matter. It can be spicy, it can be sweet, or it could be standard. We got a 1 can of tomato paste. Throw that in there. We have 2 tablespoons of honey. We're going to throw that in there. And one more item. We have a teaspoon of oregano. Now we're going to mix all this together to make a nice sauce. Okay, we have a 4-quart, slow cooker. This is actually an older crock pot. They don't make the cylinder no more. They have like an oblong. The link's down in the description. That will work fine. All right, we got 2 onions chopped up. We're gonna put that on the bottom. Nice little layer there. Now we're going to layer our chicken. Now we have 4 cloves of garlic, minced, chopped, smashed, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to spread that about all over the place. All right, and last but not least, the best part, the sauce. And we're just going to layer this all over. So now we're going to put the lid on it, and we're going to turn it on low, and it's going to cook for 8 hours. Okay, it's been 8 hours. Wow, look at that. That smells amazing. Now I'm going to chop this up a little bit. Stir, and you can see how everything just fell apart. I thought I was going to need some forks, but I don't need it. Look at that, it just fell apart. Just look at that. Chicken, barbecue, in a slow cooker. All right, let's give it a try. I'm eating this just the way it is, just to taste the flavor. This is going on a bun to make a pulled chicken sandwich. Tender. The onions and the honey really set off the barbecue sauce. It's not as potent as I thought it might be. But yeah, this is a winner. You want pulled chicken? You saw how easy it was. Recipes in the description box. And until next time, this is the Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.